Hello my friend, my name is Tomáš and for the SvětAndroida.cz we have unboxing of Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So here we go. So here we have Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus box. So let's see what's it inside. Here we have some little box which contains SIM plugger, and here we have some instructions which are in a Czech language, I think so. Yeah, here we have nothing interesting. Next is phone itself, Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus with in the blue color, and foil which can be unwrapped. On the front there is another front screen protector which I do not recommend to pull off because it's special foil which protects your screen and is specially thin, so your fingerprint will still work. Here is the wall adapter, OTG reduction from classic USB to USB-C, so you can connect your, I don't know, your keyboard or mouse or flash drive to your phone. Here is USB-C cable with some kind of adapter from micro USB to USB-C. Yeah, USB-C. Next there are earphones from AKG with some different sizes. And that is all. Let's look at the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. As you can see on the back there are 3 cameras and flash. On the top there is SIM card tray with dual SIM slot, which one slot can be replaced with micro SD card. On the bottom there is USB-C charger plus 3.5mm jack, headphone jack. On the left side there is volume buttons and Bixby button, and on the other side there is power button. On the front there is just, as you can see, there is just front-facing camera and the special sensor, depth sensor, and that's all. So let's see how it looks when you boot it up. Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So here is the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. I just already signed in all accounts and did the necessary things to boot up and install some application. So now we can see how it looks like. It's in the Czech language because it's meant to be sold in Czech Republic. Here we can see menu, so you can see actually Galaxy S10 Plus. So this is the first look at the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. If you want to know more, let's go to the descriptions and look at the www.SvětAndroida.cz. Thank you for your time and see you next time. Peace.